Hello guys, welcome to the Techy Channel, and in this video we will be discussing the topic of making a good DIY Hollywood film. So we're going to be going over all the steps, and yes, this is a continuation to Trashwood. This is Trashwood number 2, so you've made your music, now you have to make a film. It's pretty irrelevant because always the film comes first and then the music. So first of all, you need to get an idea. I don't know where you would get an idea from. You can get it from pretty much anywhere. For example, a toy shopping cart, or basically from anywhere you can get an idea. It can be metaphorical or not. It doesn't matter. The next thing is to write a story. The story can be written like a book, like a children's book, which you need to write down your ideas. And then step 3 is to make an outline for your film. So like this scene, where he does that and where she does that, whatever. And then step number 4, we have to write a screenplay, so the script for the film. It's going to take a long time, but you have to do it. It's one of the most important things. Step number 5, after writing a script, you need to rehearse it yourself. You need to know what you wrote. But also you have to take in consideration what other people might think of the screenplay. Then you get some actors. We'll act it out for you, or anyone that's going to act out the screenplay for you. So, after getting some amazing actors, you have to find a location to film. Try to think of what you were thinking when you got the idea for the film. Try to find a location which is very similar to that. It's going to help you a lot. Google Maps, Google Earth, whatever. And then get some equipment. You'll probably need some equipment. You need a camera. And also we have a camera. The cameraman is getting the camera for us. So, getting equipment. You need to get a camera, which is really important. You can film it with a phone. You can film it with pretty much anything. Budget. Budget is important for making your first film. So probably I'm going to choose this camera. Although this is a more budget one, but if you want to make a high quality film, you can make that with a phone too. But if you want real good experience... If you want a real good experience, then you can get a camera like this one, which is a DSLR camera. So, a DSLR camera, very nice. So the next thing you need to go and get is a tripod. Bring the tripod, cameraman. Oh, the camera's on the tripod. The big tripod is in use by the smaller camera which we are recording with, because we needed to show the DSLR. With this camera. Amazing camera. Yeah, this is the camera. Inside is actually the same camera that we're using to record. Instruction. Oh, I thought that was the weight of the camera inside, but looks like they're just bloody instruction manuals, and no one needs them. Or this. Or even this. Or even this. Or even this. The camera we are recording right now is not produced, so you can't buy it. But you can buy it very cheap, well, at a relatively low, good budget price, used. Very nice. There's a black bag over there. I hope it's not a dead body. So when we got the tripod, you have to put the camera on the tripod. And then go to your location and press the record button and shoot as many times as you want. As many times as you think it is going to be how it was in your head. Something very important. When you film the perfect shot for you, take some more shots, because you never know if it's going to be better. Take at least 30 more shots or 20 more shots and see how they go. Maybe they will be even better. And so, like, new ideas should come to your brain. So don't be conservative, be open, and yeah. Also, you have to make very good contact with your actors. The actors might give excellent ideas. Allow them to play the scene how they want to. See how they work out. You might actually like it. After recording, you have to go home and, well, edit the clips. It's going to be a long and painful process, and you're going to need some good software. An amazing software is Lightworks. We're not sponsored, which is free. You have to sign up, but it is free and it's amazing. Some famous movies like The Wolf of Wall Street was indeed edited with Lightworks. Amazing, and it's a really good movie. Now, it is nearly like Premiere, but in a free version. Also, on the other hand, you have Premiere, which is not free, but you can get a trial. And we're not sponsored by either company. So, you can get Premiere if you want to get the absolute best experience of editing. But Lightworks will work just fine for your first movie. So those are all of the steps you need to take in order to make a good do-it-yourself project of a movie. Now, you can check out the Trashwood How to Make Music film music video right here or anywhere on the screen. If you want to make good music for your film, check that out. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Techy Channel, and see you in the next video.